Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best controller stops is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for competitive gamers and FPS enthusiasts, offering a significant advantage by enhancing trigger response and precision, leading to faster reaction times and improved accuracy in-game. Whether you're aiming for that perfect headshot or executing lightning-fast maneuvers, this simple modification can elevate your gaming experience to a whole new level, making all the difference between victory and defeat. Number 5. eXtremeRate PS5 Clicky Trigger Kit. Upgrade your PS5 controller's responsiveness with this innovative kit. It significantly reduces trigger travel distance for faster gameplay. This kit shortens the trigger pull to just 3 mm, giving you a massive advantage in any game. Experience the difference today. Important: this kit only works with PS5 controllers BDM-010 and BDM-020. Please check your controller model before purchasing. Installation is straightforward, but requires disassembling your controller. Detailed video instructions are available on YouTube. The kit comes with everything you need: a custom flex cable, built-in buttons, screwdrivers, and spare screws. You'll be gaming like a pro in no time. It's always full speed in racing games. For shooting games, consider turning off the trigger intensity function to avoid resistance. What we like. It offers an ultra-short trigger pull, giving you the edge in fast-paced games. The clicky buttons provide satisfying tactile feedback. If you prioritize speed and satisfying clicks in your shooting games, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfect and helped my response time when firing. Easy to install, just have to take your time. Took me about 15 to 20 minutes. I play MW, BO6 and Warzone. The video walkthrough is easy to follow, the buttons fit well and respond like they should. Great mods for the price, and I think they perform great for shooting games. You should be fine to install these as a beginner. No soldering necessary. The responsive mouse click feel has significantly improved his gaming performance, especially in fast-paced games where precision and speed are crucial. He's noticed a marked improvement in his reaction times and overall gameplay experience. The build quality of the triggers is excellent. They feel durable and well-made, providing a satisfying click with each press. They also fit seamlessly with the existing controller design, maintaining its ergonomic comfort. Number 4. eXtremeRate Flexor Grips Kit. Transform your Xbox Series XS controller into a pro-level gaming machine. It's designed to enhance your gameplay and give you a competitive edge. It reduces the travel distance of your LT and RT buttons, making your actions faster and more accurate. Experience lightning-fast responses like never before. The ergonomic design and rubberized grips provide superior comfort and control. Enjoy a more secure and comfortable gaming experience. With its unique 3D diamond texture, it will make your controller stand out. Personalize your controller and show off your style. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary tools and a helpful video guide to walk you through each step. The kit includes redesigned side rails, button lock switches, and an opening tool. Everything you need for a seamless upgrade. What we like. This kit enhances your controller's grip and comfort while providing faster response times. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during long gaming sessions. If you value comfort and enhanced precision in your gameplay, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They fit perfectly. They work perfectly, cutting at least 50% of the travel of the triggers. The simple side grip with trigger stop upgrade is a fantastic value for the money. Once they were on, they worked like a charm. Firstly, the grips have this cut groove that allowed for better placement and less hand fatigue. Secondly, the triggers. So they aren't quite as stiff as the set I had prior and loved. Yet they are still firm enough, and if they are too firm you can adjust to return to normal with the side tabs. Number 3. eXtremeRate Clicky Trigger Kit. Upgrade your Nintendo Switch Pro controller with this kit. It significantly reduces trigger travel distance for faster gameplay. Experience lightning-fast responses. It shortens the trigger distance to just 0.8 mm, giving you a competitive edge. Installation is a breeze. Simply open your controller, replace the components, and you're ready to play. A helpful video guide is available on YouTube. The kit comes with everything you need, a custom flex cable, tools, and even spare screws. You'll be playing in minutes. This kit is designed for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller and is compatible with the eXtremeRate DTFS LED Kit V2. It's not compatible with other controllers or the older V1 LED kit. If you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We're always happy to assist you. What we like. It boasts an incredibly short trigger pull, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The clicky buttons add a satisfying feel to your gameplay. If you're a competitive gamer seeking lightning-fast trigger response, this is a must-have. What people say. The new feel of the buttons is nice and clicky. They have very little travel, and are quick to react. They also have make a little click sound as feedback. Switch Pro controllers have digital input for the 4 shoulder buttons. This swap basically eliminates any travel for said buttons. The click feedback is a welcome touch. Brought new fun quick shooting to my favorite Switch games. Easy to install, and it comes with everything you need to decrease the time it takes to draw any bow in Zelda Breath of the Wild and Totke. Number 2. DreamGEAR Bionik QuickShot. Experience the next level of gaming with this innovative controller upgrade. It's designed to enhance your gameplay and give you a competitive edge. Enjoy superior comfort and control with the enhanced rubber grips. They provide a better, more secure hold, improving your accuracy and precision. These adjustable trigger locks let you customize your trigger response. Experience faster reaction times and gain a significant advantage over your opponents. Feel the difference as you dominate the game. It's designed for superior comfort and control, helping you achieve peak performance. Upgrade your Xbox One controller and unlock your full gaming potential. It's the ultimate accessory for serious gamers. Take your gaming to the next level with enhanced control and precision. It's time to dominate the competition. What we like. It transforms your controller with enhanced grip and faster trigger response. The dual trigger lock settings offer customization for various games. If you want a better grip and faster response times, this is a great option for you. What people say. So these do exactly what it says on the tin, offer you better grip and the ability to squeeze the trigger more quickly due to reduced trigger travel that the grips offer. If you play a lot of console FPS games, you'll notice the benefits when using rifles and semi-auto weapons. Out of the package, the QuickShot grips look and feel really well made and strong, even a bit better design overall than the factory ones. Installation was easy. Make sure you read the instructions and look for a few videos online on how to properly remove and install your new grips. The rubberized grips makes them a bit more comfortable, and even with sweaty hands it won't slip out or feel weird. Using the QuickShot part of the controller is actually very comfortable and does improve my accuracy and shot speed in PUBG. Sliding the slider all the way up is on and sliding it down just turns the grips into regular grips. Number 1. Snakebyte Trigger Treadz for PS4. Tired of slipping controllers? These unique trigger grips offer superior control and enhanced gameplay. Get ready to dominate. Our innovative design ensures a secure and comfortable fit on your PS4 controller triggers. Experience the difference. They provide vastly improved grip, enhancing your accuracy and precision. Feel the difference immediately. With 2 distinct designs, racing rubber and all-terrain, you can find the perfect grip to match your gaming style. Choose your weapon. Made from premium 3M silicone rubber, they are durable and long-lasting. Built to withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. Simply attach them to your controller triggers and experience enhanced comfort and control. It's that easy. What we like. These trigger grips enhance your controller's grip and control. The anti-slip design prevents accidental slips during intense gameplay. If you're looking for better grip and control, especially in racing or other fast-paced games, these are a great choice. What people say. They make the triggers have a much better feel. They do give more slip resistance. Adds great grip and comfort to your triggers. I installed them on my Xbox Elite Series 2 controller, and I'm truly shocked how much more comfortable and grippy the triggers are now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.